Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and the link to them will be down below in the description box. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out and just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. Soft gel full nail covers are super easy to use. They make the whole process of applying nails much faster and much more easier. And if you have problems shaping like I do, I definitely recommend giving them a try. So for this nail set, we're going to be using Polygel, and as my slip solution, I'll be using alcohol. And I'm using this little makeshift dapping dish that I purchased from TJ Maxx. It's actually meant to be a candle holder, but I just use it for my dapping dish. And I'm using a Model 1's Polygel brush along with the Ohuhu Polygel. This is in the color P6 or P2. And I really like Ohuhu's Polygel because they're nice and solid. I kind of struggled because this is one of my favorite shades, so I didn't have much left, but they last a pretty long time. One whole tube of Polygel can get you like a good, depending on the length, like 10 sets of nails. So I really do recommend this Polygel. It's one of my favorites. I don't think they make them anymore. I think they stick to other stuff now, but if you can get your hands on some Ohuhu Polygel, I definitely recommend them. But as you can see here, all I'm doing is going in with a pea-size amount and just fully applying that to the whole nail and just kind of making sure that from edge to edge, wall to wall, the surface area is fully covered. And when you're doing this, you kind of just want to make sure that your cuticle area is thinner than the rest of your nails. So then after that, I just go on ahead and apply it. And sometimes excess Polygel will squeeze out around the cuticles or the sides of your nails. And as you can see here, you just want to make sure that you go in and kind of sweep around it and make sure you fully remove it before curing, because it's harder to remove when you cure than it is before you cure. So it just makes the process easier. And lastly, you can see here, I'm just going underneath the nail and flattening that out and just making sure that it's not bulky. And that's it. So it's a very simple and easy process. You guys have seen me do this 1,000,001 times, so I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. After your nails are fully applied, I did go in with a nail drill e-file and an 8080 nail grit nail file, and I just cleaned up my cuticles and really made sure that my nails were super sharp. The nail filing process is super easy because, as I said before, these are pre-shaped nail covers, so the shaping process is easy. It's really just making your final touches. Some people like a more square look, some people like a squoval look, rounded edges, so I just went in and really sharpened up those edges because I prefer a more square look. And using an 80 grit nail file is a game changer. You definitely want to invest in those if you have never used them. They are amazing, and I'll have the link to them down below in my description as well. Along with the top coat I'm using, the link will be down below. This is the Model 1's top coat. This is their regular gel top coat, not their no wipe top coat, and it's my favorite because it keeps your nails shiny for long. So after you cure, the shine tends to dull for many top coats, but the Model 1's just stays shiny for a while. So I really like this top coat, and as you can see, I just went in and swiped the sides. But the last and final touches is cuticle oil. You definitely want to make sure that you're investing in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here's the final look. It's super quick, super easy, but it's a nice, very classy design. And I love Polygel because it's like a 2-in-1. You get the nail polish and like the whole nail adhesion in one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.